So what is the difference between can we and shall we? Because they mean very different things. Hi everyone, welcome to English with Aga. In this video, I want to talk to you about may, can, could, and shall. So we're going to talk about the different meanings of each of these words because each of them has several different meanings. And we're going to look at the difference between them because they can be very easily confused. Before we start, make sure you check out my online English courses. The link is in the video description, and also get your free English grammar booklet from the description as well. Okay, let's get this video started. So we're going to start with may. May I? It's a polite word to ask for permission. It's quite formal as well, so you can use it in both formal and informal situations if you want to ask for permission politely. For example, may I use your phone? I want to ask for permission. May I use it? May I come in? This is another way to ask politely if it's okay for me to come in. Now, can I? Can I is another way of asking for permission. So I can say, can I borrow your pen? It's quite an informal way to ask for permission, so it is less formal than may I. Can I borrow your pen? Is it okay for me to borrow it? Can I come in? If you want to make can I a little bit more polite, you can add please at the end of your question. So for example, can I borrow your pen please? Can I use your phone please? You can also use it with you to make a polite request. For example, can you open the window? So I'm not asking for permission, but I'm asking you to do something. Can you open the window? Can you lend me this book? Again, you can add please at the end if you want to make it a little bit more polite. So can you open the window please? Can you lend me this book please? But can has another meaning as well. We use it to talk about ability, whether or not somebody knows how to do something. For example, can you speak English? Which means, do you know how to speak English? So can you open the window can actually mean two different things in two different situations. For example, can you open the window? I'm asking you if it's okay. I am making a polite request. Can you open this window can also mean, are you able to do it? Do you know how to? So it all depends on context. And then there is could. So could I? Could I borrow your pen? Could I open the window? So again, it's something I can say to ask for permission politely. It's a little bit more polite than can I and a little bit more formal, but it's not as formal or polite as may I. So may I is the most formal, then could I, and then can I. You can also make could I a little bit more polite by adding please. Could I open the window please? Could I come in please? And just like with can, we can use it to make a request. Could you open the window? Could you help me? And we can add please to make it more polite. Could you help me please? Could you open the window please? Just like can, could also has two meanings. So we can use it to ask for permission or to make a request, but also to ask about or talk about ability in the past. So again, depending on context, could can mean two different things. I could ride a bike during school time. It means I had permission, but I can also say I could ride a bike, which means I knew how to do it. I had the right skills to do it. And then finally, we've got shall. So shall is for offering to do something. Shall I open the window? This is a suggestion I want to make. I want to offer to open the window. Shall I open the window? Would you like me to open the window? I can also say, shall I help you? I want to offer my help. And I want to know what you think about it. We can also use shall with we. Shall we? If we want to make a suggestion for a group of people, which includes us. Shall we go to the cinema tonight? I want to know if you want to go to the cinema with me. I want to know what you think about it. It's my suggestion. Shall we go? So what is the difference between shall we and can we? Shall we go to the cinema means I want to make this suggestion. I want to suggest that we go. It's an idea that I have and I want to know what you think about it. Can we go to the cinema means are we able to? Are we allowed to? Is it possible for us to go? I am not making a suggestion. I just want to know if it's okay for us to go, if it's allowed. Because we're working tonight, so I don't know if we can. That's why I'm asking, can we? Shall has also another meaning, and it's to talk about the future. So it can mean the same thing as will. I shall help you. I will help you. They are the same thing. Shall is less common, it's a lot more formal, and it's quite literary. So you won't hear it much in everyday conversations. You're more likely to hear I will help you. Now let's do a practice exercise. Which answer is correct? Which sentence is more formal? Can I borrow your pen? Or may I borrow your pen? May I borrow your pen is more formal. Which one is more polite? Can you open the window? Or could you open the window? Could you open the window is a little bit more polite. Am I asking for permission or am I offering something? Shall I help you? I am offering to help you. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, get your free grammar booklet from the video description, and check out my online English courses as well. And I'll see you next time. Bye!